Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Apurva Joshi,
author of.
Cocktail Mocktail.
So how is it being at the world's largest book fair?
So I actually live in Dubai
Okay.
and I flew down all the way to Delhi to
Right.
come and see my book here. So it's pretty fabulous.
Wow. What is some of the most memorable feedback you've gotten from readers in general?
The relatability,
Right.
they really relate with the characters, and I think that is the most memorable thing because you create something and they can see themselves inside it.
Right.
Yeah.
So can you tell me a little bit more about your book?
It's a college rom-com sort of a book, and because college is when Indian kids start discovering themselves. So it's
Right.
about this really ambitious girl who's in college,
Right.
and she's out of home for the first time, and she's discovering life, and she meets this guy, she hates him, and then how their
Right.
relationship evolves, and they go to Switzerland, and rest you have to read.
So we have a large community of writers who are also in college probably right now. So what is some advice you would have for them?
Don't stress so much over marks. Enjoy your time with your friends because college doesn't come back. And at the end of the day, marks don't really matter. So,
Right. So thank you so much for sharing that with us. I hope you have a wonderful book fair. Thank you so much.
thank you.